Jaya. First things first, nice and clear profile picture. Your face is in it. I'm happy with that. Hopefully I pronounced your name right, by the way. The only thing I don't like here is this, and I always say this, I always see it. I help 30 plus busy working professionals balance fitness with their hectic lives. Busy. Everyone's busy. So that's not really like a target market or a niche, because the busy thing is like everyone's busy. I made a video about this. So that's the only thing I would think about changing. Can we take it a few layers deeper? Also here, I would put like Jaya Benson, Teray, and then put one of those dashes and then just put like online transformation coach, online performance coach. I've seen your content, bro. You're a beast, bro. Like your online thing could be all about like helping people increase their performance. That could be the niche. I've seen your content, so I know what you're doing. Link in the bio. What does it lead to? It leads to trainerize, and then the trainerize. It's not bad. It's not bad actually. Can we? Oh, we got a video. I like this. Here's the problem, and it's not really a problem. I think you could have a lead magnet here instead of this, because how many people are coming onto this and then buying from you straight away? I don't know. Maybe there are people. If they are, then correct me. But imagine if you had a lead magnet which then led people to download a free guide, and you get their email, their phone number, and then you automate the marketing on the back end and actually give them more value through email, through text message, and you can call all the leads that download it and you promote it every week. Boy, that's way more powerful. I'm not going to judge the content. It's not a content training, but I do think we can optimize this a bit more. We can optimize this a little bit more. If you got some better photos, this photo is fine, but maybe if you got something that's a bit clearer, your face is in the middle, that might be a little bit better. You've got everything we need, but I think we can just make it a little bit better, especially for online coaching. That's it from me.